a big day. I dropped this camera into the creek a week ago yesterday. Fortunately, it was off, and I came home in the afternoon and quickly stuck it into this bag, and I had it in here for over a week. I'm kind of nervous. Very nervous. Well, I'll go ahead and see if it works. Oh, it's making a funny noise. Okay, lens error. Will shut down automatically, restart camera. My lens is messed up on it. Bummer. Okay. Well, alrighty. It doesn't look like it's in very good shape. So, all right, we'll be back. Okay. So, my camera, it lives. So I dropped it in the creek a little over a week ago, and I pretty much saw the beginning of it. I tried it out, and the lens came out a little bit, and I got a lens error, and I couldn't get it back in. I couldn't do anything. I couldn't unload the pictures onto my computer. I had my card was full of stuff I hadn't unloaded. I wasn't able to do anything. And I didn't know what else to do with it. I thought that's it, it's gone. Went looking on the YouTube, and I found this guy named Jay Gould. And he has a video on there, Canon Powershot SX50, disassembly, clean lens, reassembly, stuck lens, repair. I'm just like, okay, so I just start disassembling it. You know, it's completely wet inside the lens. I let it dry out. We took a little hairdryer, let it dry out through the night. Took a hairdryer to it the next morning because I could see all the moisture in there. We dried out what we could with cotton balls and stuff, and I can't believe it. So reassembled the whole thing. He disassembled it and then he reassembled it. 30-minute video, although it took me about probably four to 6 hours altogether. But anyway, ta-da! Ha! It lives. Woo-hoo! Indeed. And this is the guy.
LCD screen is held by one more screw.
This is my hero guy right here. Saved me from having to get a new camera. All right. Yes! Woo! If I can do it, you can do it too! All right. Bye.